Final problem tayo or more problem for the open channels. An earth canal in good condition having a bottom width of 12 feet and side slopes of 2 horizontal to 1 vertical. So, ito yung side slope po. Ito yung tinutukoy na side slope, ha. Ito. Dalawa horizontal, isang vertical. Is carrying water to a depth of 4 feet. Ito, 4 feet yan. The slope of the canal is 1.5 feet per mile. Determine the discharge using the N 0.020. So, lipat tayo dito sa kabila. So, first, we will put the given for this problem. So, from this problem, meron na tayong figure and lagay lang natin yung mga given. 0.020 and then the value of slope would be 1.5 feet per mile. Pero, yung 1 mile natin is equivalent to 5 to 80 feet. Ano? So, we would be putting it 5 to 80 feet. So, the slope is equal to 0.000284. Or you can just store it in your calculator. So, lagay lang natin yung mga given dito sa figure. So, meron tayong base dito na 12 feet also. And for this value ng x, gagamitin na natin tong slope na binigay sa atin or the side slope. So first, meron tayong 1 dito. 1 horizontal ay vertical. And then 2 horizontal. So meaning, in this horizontal daw po, multiply lang natin siya into 2 para makuha to dito. Ibig sabihin, kung 4 to, ito is 8 feet. Same dito. So, kunyari ito baliktad, 1 ito. Tapos ito 2. Ito, dito na lang. 1 ito, tapos ito 2. Ang mangyayari, since ito is 2, ang mangyayari ito magiging 2 feet. Kasi i-divide 2 mo pa siya. Okay lang. Anyways, ito 8. Yan lang yun. And then for the value of this slope or side slope, ito mismo is Pythagorean theorem. The value of this S, we have 8 squared plus 4 squared. So it is equal to 4 squared, we have 4 square root of 5. First, we will get the area. So 1/2 base 1, we have 12 plus 8 plus 8, we have 16. No, tama. Plus 12, we have 28. Feet times the D, 4. So the area is equal to 80 feet. Tama. So 12 times 12 plus 28 times 4, 160 divided by 2, 80 feet. 80 cubic feet. Square feet. For the weighted perimeter, dalawang S plus 12 plus S ulit. Dalawang S. Tama na. So 2S plus 12. Or S natin is 4 square root of 5 plus 12. This will be equal to 29. Double check ko lang ha. 29.89. For the hydraulic radius, we have 80 all over 29.89. This will be equal to 2.677. For the value of V, meron tayo 148.6 R 2/3 and S 1/2 all over N. So 1.486 R natin is equivalent to 2.677 and then S 0.00284. Ay, 2/3 pa lang dito. Huwag niyo kalimutan yung exponent, ha. And then N 0.02. So the value of velocity natin dito is equal to 2.414 feet per second, FPS. And then, yung hinahanap sa atin is the discharge. So for the value of Q, meron tayong A times V. Yung area natin is 80 and then the velocity is 2.414. So the discharge is equal to 193.1 cubic feet per second. Final answer. Screenshot. Okay na. So, try natin gamitin yung cheesy formula with Decatur C. No? Yung coefficient natin. Dito. Next slide. So, yung formula natin for coefficient, ito. Itong mahaba na to. Napakahaba. No? Is galing doon sa slides natin nung nakaraan. Balikan natin. Saan yung mahaba dito? Ito. For English unit, ito yung gagamitin natin. Okay. So, gamitin natin yun for this example. Wherein, nakompute na naman natin na lahat. So, kailangan lang natin i-solve yung mga to. So, 1.811 meron tayong N na 0.02 plus 41.65 plus 0.00281 S na na-computed na din natin. All over, diba, napakahaba, 1 plus yung N natin is 0.02 and then the square root of R, wherein yung R natin is 2.677 from our previous computation. Ito. Times the value of 41.65 plus 0.00281 all over 0.00 or the S natin 284. Ayan yung sa calculators mo. So I recommend na hindi nyo isahan i-type ito, no? Since hindi siya magkakasya. Pero yung i-type muna ito sa taas, denominator ay numerator, tapos once na makuha nyo yung sagot dito, i-divide nyo na lang dito sa baba. So the value of C we can get here is 87.171. Wherein meron tayong formula from the cheesy formula that V is equal to C square root of RS. Or for the Q, tignan natin ng A, C. Now, gawin natin dito. For the Q, meron tayong 80 times the C, 87.17 square root of R, 2.67 times Ang pangit. Times the value of S, 0.000284. So the value of U here will be equal to 87 square root of 677 times 0.00284. 192.28 feet per second. So as you can see, the discharge here is halos magkaparehas na din, no? Kaunti lang yung discrepancies niya, I think, because of this mga equation na natin. Pero all in all, hindi naman siya naglalayo. So, screenshot. Number 1, gamit yung Mannings and then gamit yung cheesy formula.